welcome to the new people. How are you guys doing? Great Slam is multiplied by 15. Now, this.
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
See now, betting time's here, so you're more than welcome to place a bet tonight. Who messed up? What happened? What? A few more seconds of the betting time right now. Alright, bets are closed now. Good luck, guys. Let's see what we do. Can't promise you anything, we'll just have to wait and see what happens, alright? 3x on cashing from the Topslot. Another one? Oh, hello. Another pachinko. Yes, yes, yes. We love that. We do. Well. Long time no see, am I right? There's that pot of gold again. Hopefully we can take more this time. You know, bigger multis and all that. Alright, let's see what it offers. We're starting off with a 5x again. Alright, I see you there. 7, a 10, a 15, 20s, 35s, 40s, 50s. Oh, 200. Hello. Alright, so the max multiplier we can get is a 200x. Good luck, guys. Let's see if it lands on that 200. Please do. Please do. Oh, it's pretty close. That's right. No way! We actually got that 200x. Can you see that, guys?
Been better. No, I'm alright. Last second. My throat is a bit shady. It started off really bad. I woke up today, I had no voice whatsoever. My first session was so bad, I could not speak at all. Good luck, everybody. It's next time pachinko. But a lot of green tea later, I'm doing a lot better. Come on, crazy. Get in. There we go. Crazy time. Woohoo! We finally got it. All right, guys. Shall we? Come on, let's go. Hello there, mates. All right, welcome. Welcome to the crazy world, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Wonderful. We finally got to open that door. A lot of doubles up there. You know what that means. We got to get some. Decision time. All yours. So choose a flapper. You got green, blue, yellow situation. Of course, you can leave it to auto pick as you wish. Final countdown. Okay, we ready for this one? Ladies and gentlemen, max multi, 100x up there. Catch you. Good luck to you. Alrighty then. Ladies and gentlemen, 20x blue, 50x yellow, green though going for that double. Well, let's double the fun. Every multiplier gets doubled. And let's spin again. Max multi now 200x. Let's go. Good luck. Very nice. Come on, another double. Let's go. More. More fun. Okay. Well, highest multi now, 400x. Let's go for more. Good luck. Let's go. Boom! There it is! Ladies and gentlemen, 400x! Congratulations! Very nice, very cutesy. Congratulations, and that went 54,000.
Top 5, my compliments. Check the history of the last winnings. We just got a couple of bonuses and that's it. That's not good. Me? Crazy? I've been crazy once. They locked me in the room. Good luck. 5 with a 3x multi. Pachinko? Okay. But please, Pachinko, be better than previous one. Please. I'm not asking a lot. I'm just asking for a nice multiplier. Better than previous, Pachinko, please. Please. Okay, let's see. The lowest multi. A 3x multiplier. Okie dokie. 5, 7, 15, 20. 200 double, please. I want that. The 200 and double. Maybe double and 200. That will be juicy win. Or 200. Please. Please. I'm running. I want to support. Please. Double? 200. Double? No. Double? Double? Yeah! Baby, yeah, let's go. 400 max. Wait, almost full. Another double, please be nice. Where are you gonna drop? Oh, please. Double, please another double, please another double, please another double. Please. Please, please. Yeah! 400! Let's go! Yeah! Yeah! Let's go, let's do it!
432 winners out here. Bad with the top win there. 2,700 euros. Man, RS, El Melino, 209. Enjoy. Let's play another round of here. Betting time. I want the lonely road, the only road that I have ever known. Bow, 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 bow. That's close. Good luck to you. We got a Pachinko with a 7X on the spin. Can we get it though? Woo! Yeah, baby, Pachinko with a 7X, with a 7X. Come on. I think it's time for us to get some spicy stuff. Do you think the same? I think you do. So let's go get those multipliers on the wall here. I'm hoping for some 100s, you know, with that 7X, they could add up pretty nicely there. So 2X, 7X, 10X is there. 40, 50 doubles here. We got 2 of them around the block, so 50s is the next best thing. And let's multiply them all by that 7X and 350X double the way we can go for. That sounds good to me. But can we get it though? That's that big question out here. So get ready, get excited. We're about to drop it. Double and 350X. That's what we want. Hopefully we can get it, guys. I think we're ready. Let's go. Woo! Come on, no pressure, Puck. Can we get 350X? I mean, we're lined up for a double right now. Maybe we can get that for you. And yes, double for the beautiful multiplier. So instead of a 350X top multiplier we're going to be going for, is going to be a 700X. Ooh. This could get exciting. Come on, clap your hands. I want to see you all being excited. Let's go and drop it once again for you. Let's go. Come on, Buck. How about a 700? It's way to the left, though. Go to the left. Maybe another double. Another double. Woo! Let's go. Top multiplier for this one. 1,400X, baby. Let's pick it up once again. You're going to go and drop it. Go and drop it once again. Pop, lock, and drop it. Come on. All right, we're lined up for it. Is it time for us to get a 1,400X? I don't know, but I sure hope so. Let's get it. Come on, Puck. We need some of that 1,400X, please. All right, 420X. I mean, what a ride. What a Pachinko. Woo! 12,071 winners out here. Fab with a 50,000 euro win there. Judo man, Mavi Bas Melino. Bam! What a session. Woo! Okay. We'll take that all day, every day. I mean, 420X. That's crazy. Okay. Let's go. Feel like tennis man. Okay, let's go.
You're the top 3 winners. Betting time is open. Feel free to place your bets if you want to. You don't have to if you don't want to, guys. Especially if things are not going your way. So, gamble responsibly. And everything should be A-okay. Now, let's continue. Now, let's take a look, guys. 5X on Pachinko. Like crazy time, don't waste your time, brother. Don't waste your time. And you know what? It's Pachinko. with 5X on the top slot. All right. Things are starting to heat up just a little bit. Let's hope so. And that's why we love the top slot. Well, 5X right here. Let's see what are we having, all right? Not going to talk trash to the coins, though. All right, 3X. It's going to be 15, the lowest. It's pretty nice. 7, 10, 15, 20, 35, 100, and double, all right? 5X. And we have the double, too. All right, nice. 175, 100, 500. Let's go. All right, folks. We need this one to pop off. Great spot as well. All right. Best of luck to you guys. Let's go get it. All right. What we have? Great pace, bro. Great. Hey! Woo-hoo! That's what I'm talking about, guys. All right, guys. Let's go. 10X on a cash out now. We need that cash on regardless. And since it has 10X on it, why not? Go. There we go, everybody. Let's remember, highest initial multi in cash and can be 500X. So let's see what are we working with here, folks. Hey, let's get it. 10X on it. All right, we have one of those 100Xs, but you know what? We have a 10X in our back pocket. Boom. There we go. Sweet. Let's go. 500s all over the place. 1KX, the highest multi, ladies and gentlemen. Now that's the cash on V1 seed, guys. Alrighty then. Excited? I bet you are. Never leave it in the hands of the judges, though. Now it sounds. Decision time is open. One shot, one opportunity. Capture it, not let it slip. And yeah, don't leave it in the hands of the judges, guys. Pick yourself. Like, those are all the multis are awesome. But 1K, we have only one of those. I'm going to pick the Sheriff Star because there has to be a sheriff in town. Yeah, not going to even mention it. Okay, 1000X is right there, folks. The board is incredible. We have 89 players with 1000X. 6,996 winners. Franco, Warder, and Nico. People, you're the top 3 winners. Let's get it, everybody. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Another bonus game with a top slot. Hey, who got the 1,000? Crazy.
Here for being top winner, by the way. Enjoy. Betting time is open. So, how are you guys doing? How are you feeling? Did you have good sessions with my colleagues? What's popping? What's happening? You know, I have not been here yesterday, I think. Yeah. Good luck. Touch your face if you're real. Ayun. 4X on the cash on. I'm an MBC. Opa! Hey, wait a minute. We got ourselves a cash on. 4X top slot. The NPC thingy worked. Ayo! We here. They have now. You got 100X stop multi. So times 4. 400X stop multi right there in the fifth row. But there's a lot of 200s, some 60s, some 40s, some 20s. Not bad. Not bad. So we're gonna hide them and scramble them around, and then the fate is in your hands. You know, you're gonna have to shoot. You're gonna have to choose one emoticon for yourself. I believe in you. The glasses are lucky. I think. Anyway, decision time. Go ahead. Shoot your emoticon. There's auto pick if anything, of course, to help you. Are you married? No, I am not. How about yourself, bonus? Okay, I know what I'm shooting. Let's reveal. I got 40X. Great. Where's the 400? Oh, no. Where is it? I can't see it. Tell me. 1,117 of you won. Congratulations, guys. Errol's and staff winner. It's 200X catch. Nicely done. I did not see how many of you caught the 400 because I was looking for 400. But I cannot see it. Sherman, you did? Where was it? Oh, that's amazing.
And then we have 7, 10, 20, 35, and 100, and a double. Okay, this looks like a good board. Let's go get something good. Let's
get something good. Let's celebrate the good times. Let's get that double or 100. Come on, party people. We deserve a good win. Where is it headed? Oh, I suppose it's headed more towards the 35, isn't it? Well, it's a 20 for the Spachenko. And not bad. Congratulations to 1,500 lovely winners of this round. Let's go again. Woohoo! 2 is better. Huh. Interesting concept. Let's go. And the bets are closed. Good luck. Hello. Welcome to the new people. How are you guys doing? Grace time is multiplied by 15. Now, this is the time to cross your fingers, hope to die. Come on, Grace time, please. Woohoo! Let's go, party people! Crazy time with a top slot of 15. Let's get a phenomenal multiplier from that. Let's go! We are here at the crazy time. Woo! Let's go! And we have our multipliers, yes we do, but we also have a top slot, so all the multipliers are multipliers. Can you believe that? And not by anything, by 15. Woohoo! Beautiful. Let's go, party people. Well, before we get those wonderful multipliers, we also have the green, the blue, and the yellow. So make your decision on which color you want. And hopefully it's the best one, right? Wishing all of you the best of luck, and the highest multiplier is 1,500. Let's get it! Woo! Okay, we have 225 for the green, 300 for the blue, a double for the yellow. Can you believe that? The highest multiplier, 3,000 now. Let's go! Woo! Party people, let's go! And it is 1,500 for the yellow! Woo-hoo-hoo! Congratulations to 490 people that got it, and congratulations to 1,609 winners of this Grace time! Woo-hoo! This is amazing! Let's go again. Let's go. And the bets are closed. Good luck.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.